is my hair, but today is my cousin's birthday, and she's turning 19, and she thinks we're going to a restaurant, but really we're giving her like a surprise birthday party, and I think it starts at 8 or 7, so we got about maybe 6 hours. But this is what I'm not wearing this because we have to wear denim jeans, stuff with denim in it. So I'm not wearing this. This is just for the next 5-6 hours until maybe 6 hours, 5 until it's time for us to go. But yeah, so I gotta fix my hair. But yeah.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
I don't care. Nobody needs to be looking at me.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Alright, we'll slice the cake.
Nah, man, come on, man. Your mom right here, man. Come on, man.
So yesterday the party was pretty fun. The beginning of it was boring because, you know, nobody wanted to dance yet. So but later on it got fun, and yeah. And I had to help with the decorations and stuff. But yeah, the party was fun. There's a baby shower tomorrow. Yeah. So right now I'm about to eat this cake from yesterday that I did not get to eat. But it was fun, you know. There was some dancing. I danced a little bit. Y'all didn't see me because I didn't want to. I mean, I vlogged, but it's a bad vlog. Really bad vlog. Because I was kind of nervous because I was afraid somebody was looking at me. Which I'm pretty sure people were looking at me. Maybe like one person. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this cake. That's crazy. Yeah. Gonna eat this cake and watch a video.